Are you unable to remember your Facebook password and want to know how to find it on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to see the password for Facebook on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Passwords. Once you've found it, tap on it. And then use Face ID to unlock and access it. And now you will be able to see all of your saved passwords on your iPhone. So now, in order to find the Facebook password, you can scroll down and find it. Or you can tap on the search bar up top and search for Facebook. And then tap and select Facebook from the search results. So now you'll be able to see your Facebook username, and under that, you can see your Facebook password. Just tap on it to see the password, and you can also tap Copy Password, which will simply copy your Facebook password to the clipboard. Now you can paste this and try to log into your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.